How to track your orders on Temu. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Temu application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the U option on the bottom center of your screen and further tap on the Your Orders option. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all your delivered and ongoing orders. To track your order, tap on the Self-Service Define Order option. You will now see various ways on how you can track your order. You can track your order through your phone number, your email address, your order ID, and your payment information. Simply tap on the best suited option for you. I will tap on email address. If you tap on email address too, then simply enter your email address and further tap on the Find Order button. And with this, you will be able to find your order. So, this is how you can track your orders on Temu. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.